Welcome to the 2-Minute SQL Tips. Need to filter your data for a specific range? We will talk about how to use the between operator in SQL to do this. And yes, we'll keep it short and simple. Between is your go-to operator for finding values within a range, whether it's numbers, dates, or even text. It's simple, clear, and gets the job done fast. Let's say we want to find all sales between 100 and 500. Here's the code for doing this. This will return all rows where the sale underscore amount is 100, 500, or anywhere in between. Now let's look at date ranges. Suppose we want sales between October 15, 2024 and November 15, 2024. Here's the query. This filters the rows to only include those within the specified date range. A few points to remember. First, between includes both the lower and upper bounds. Next, always use the correct data format, like quotes for dates. For text ranges, results depend on your database's collation settings. Collation settings influence several rules, such as case sensitivity, which means whether a capital A is treated the same as a small a, as well as sorting order, which determines if A should come before B or B should come before A. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2-minute SQL tips. See you next time.